Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Hub, and we are back with a new video in the series of our HTML tutorials. And today we will learn some of the basic tags that we are quite friendly with. We have also seen the tag in our previous videos, and we also work on other documents like Word documents and all on the same thing. So it is quite friendly thing, so we will be able to learn quite easily. So let's start with today's video. We will be just editing our previous program and see the changes. First of before that, we will create a new Word document and we will see some of the uses that we does, and we will do the same thing in our HTML. So here is our Word document, and first of all let's try to make a sentence bold, then italics and underline. We will be using these three functions today. So let's see uh, how it looks in a Word document, and then we will implement the same with HTML. So let's write a sentence. This sentence is bold. Okay, and now in Word document, how we make a sentence bold? From here till here, we will select the sentence and we will make it bold, and the sentence will be bold. Similarly, we will make an italic sentence. This sentence is italics. Let's unbold this sentence and make italics. Similarly, we have a third sentence. This sentence is underlined. Now let's make this sentence underlined. First of all, remove italics and make it underlined. So we have used the three functionalities in Word, and same three functionalities we are going to use today in our HTML. So let's start. We will be editing the same program. Let's delete this file, it is of no use now. We will edit the same thing and right click it and open with a notepad to edit this. So we created a basic structure last time in our previous video, and today let's implement these three things. So let's write our first sentence. Let's create a paragraph and write the sentence. A paragraph text begins here and it will be closing over here. So we have to write the paragraph code within this tag, and our first line is this sentence is bold. So what we did in the Word document, we selected the sentence and applied the bold. We selected from here till here. Similarly, we will apply the tag from here till here. We will begin the bold tag over here, which is the B tag, and we will close the tag here. And now this tag will be implemented on this. Now let's look ahead with the second sentence. This sentence is italic, and now apply the italic tag on this. Now let's see the third sentence, which is underlined. Let's start the underline tag and end the underline tag. Starting and ending a tag is very beneficial, because Sometimes it happens that we are starting a tag, we have written the sentence, and thereafter we forget to close the tag, so our output will not come as per our requirement. So starting a tag and closing a tag should be done together. This sentence is underlined. So let's save the file and let's see the output. So here's the output, and we have one paragraph, and the first sentence is bold, second sentence is italics, and the third sentence is underlined. Now let's try to make one particular word as bold, italic, and underlined. Let's remove this tag from here and make the bold word as bold, and similarly the italic word as italic, and similarly underlined word as underlined. Let's write word over here. This word is bold, this word is italics, and this word is underlined. Let's save the file again and let's check the output. See, we have the word bold, we have italics, and we have underlined. So now in this video we have been able to use the bold, italic, and underlined tag. We use this functionality in Word as well, and same functionalities we have learned to use in the HTML today. So that's enough for the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and write your comments in the comment box, and you can also write your queries in the comment box. Please stay updated, and we will come back with a new video. Thank you.